This is my 2004 Mustang GT, and today we're going to bring it back to life. This paint's going from dirty, faded, cloudy, and gray to a fresh, shiny, deep black that looks practically brand new, so stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube? Today we're back on another video. Today we got Bo on the channel. Say what's up, Bo.
What's going on?
This is his beautiful ZL1 right here. We're going to get into it a little bit more, but let him know what we're doing today, Bo.
So right now we're going to be doing some maintenance washes, and this thing's going to get probably a 3-step, 4-step correction. The paint is pretty bad, but we're going to see if we can bring it back to life. So
take us over. Let's look at how terrible this paint looks. The cat has been all over it, as you can see.
She's a little rough, but it's okay.
Definitely.
Because it's all laying flat. So at least on this door, no one's hit it with either a quick detailer or maybe they polished it at least one time. I mean, you can see the difference.
No, that's crazy.
It's just laying flat.
Bro, I didn't do a good job of getting this before, but dude, you can't even really see them, honestly.
You're gonna catch it in the
sunlight.
I had
deep scratches right here, and they're not completely going. Like, it's not even, look, it's not even picking up on camera.
It's just like polish and some rotary work, that's it.
Now, obviously, I didn't get you can definitely tell from here to here. But I didn't get a before and after of the hood, but we are gonna get a before and after of the roof. You can definitely tell it's faded. It's really, really gray. Yeah, we got some bad spots like here,
that's
here.
We're gonna pop it though.
Yeah, but you can definitely tell. So I'll give a before and after of this. All right, so we put a line of tape right here. And you can see it right here. This is the polished. This is the unpolished. And you can see all the marks.
Marring, oxidation.
I'll let y'all take a look. taking a break real quick. That boy Bo whipped up some pork chops. All right, so we're currently taking the tape off. Oh, this is like not even the same car. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we're gonna give it one more wash. In the comments, can I get a thank you, Bo? Thank you, Bo. Bo helped us and let us use all of his equipment today. Sheesh. And this isn't even. And this is the only, well, a couple bad spots, but that's just the clear coat, just because it's old, but that's night and day. We still gotta wash it again, so. Oh. Alright guys, this is pretty much it. And the camera really doesn't do it justice. Headlights are trash.
Told you, they gotta go now.
Clean little walk around real quick. So now that we got the car washed and stuff, I'm gonna go take a shower. We're probably gonna head out to eat, get a couple clips, use that Insta360. Woo, can't wait. So I'll catch you on a little bit. Deuces.
Just so you know, I'm locked in, dude.
What do you mean?
And we say bye-bye.
So you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.